Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Well, yes, Flip and Customize is having its first, maybe annual, open house, mini car show, barbecue, the whole deal, and it's all happening tomorrow. So we have a ton of work to do, and to say I'm not stressed about what's involved to get to this level would be a lie, because I am. So as you know, we got the food truck build happening. No, it's not done, but it's getting there, and it's getting close. So Steve's gonna be here with his beautiful Shirley smoker. We're gonna have this bad boy all set up along the side here with his smoker in the back. He's gonna be cooking some badass Becker's barbecue. We got our porta potty and hand washing station delivered. I've still got stone dust to spread around the yard to get things cleaned up. I gotta move all my vehicles and junk. Finish cleaning the shop. I got powder coater going. We did make a cool ass trophy. Check that out. So that's gonna be a Spectator's Choice Award. So people are gonna pick who wins.
I wanna taste the pain. I think I'm seeing all red. 2 bullets in the gun, 1 shot to the head. I need a blank space. 'Cause everything is a threat, but I never back down. Man, I'd rather be dead. I'm making love to fate. And she look better in bed. I'ma rock this life till I take my last breath. I wanna make a change. I got 1 life left, so I'm gonna go down swinging. Don't you forget.
First things first, I gotta get this behemoth out of the way, our badass food truck we're building, because, well, it's huge and I gotta spread stone dust. Spread stone dust. I can't even talk. So, I don't know if you heard this, but you need to hear it because it's badass. Oh no! There it is! Oh, there's no muffler right now, so it goes with the build. Unfortunately, these two don't run, so they gotta be pulled in position. This one I'm gonna pull out, wash it, and we're gonna probably put it up on display. This one here we're going to kind of kitty corner and tuck in front of that trailer. That one's gonna be on display, so that one runs and drives. We can wash it. Woo! Yeah. Is it too early to start drinking? Like 10 a.m? Just asking for a friend. Do it slow, he says slow. People say I collect junk. Not true. It's art. Alright, excuse the mess. There's parts to that yellow truck you just saw. There's another truck under there, and that's a 91 S10 that we've LS swapped. Full build as far as from the frame up, and it's been going on for way too long because it keeps taking the back burner. And ignore that, it shouldn't be on there. But we're gonna dig this out, give it a bath, have it on display at the show. And you know what? We're working on this again this winter, so it's gonna stay down there. Being spied on by the pups. Oh baby, look at this. You guys remember, Steve went on a long road trip to
Tuscaloosa,
Alabama to Shirley Fabrication and picked up this bad boy, and it is absolutely a beautiful custom build. That full road trip videos, we have a YouTube on that. It's on the food truck build. And actually today or tomorrow or during the open house, Steve's going to do a separate video on cooking with the Shirley Fab smoker for the first time. So that's going to be cool as well. All right, food truck's in position. We got room to park cars still. Check it out. I love that exhaust. Ooh, baby. Serving shelf is up, windows open, lights are there. Again, stitches, Rick Pierce is going to be pinstriping this baby, so it isn't done yet. Smokers in the back. We'll have some table here for condiments. Oh man, this is looking nice, Steve. Hey guys, something exciting. Remember the bobber we built, Project Bob and Weave? Well, look what just got dropped off from the owner. So this is going to be here as well for the open house tomorrow. So we are scrambling to get stuff ready, but however, now we have one of our bobber builds here that's going to be on display. So that is friggin' rad, and it was cool of him to bring it. I'll check in with you tomorrow when it's showtime.
Good morning, everyone. It is 3:15 in the morning on Saturday, and it's open house day. We got the Shirley fired up with a little bit of charcoal. I'd show you a little bit more, but you know, I'm working under a headlamp this morning, and there's really not much you can see other than smoke anyways.
All right, they're coming out, and Steve is going to wrap up the briskets and the pork butts.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do a little Texas crutch method.
I'm scared to say this, but I think we're ready. Steve, I think we're ready, bud.
We're ready, man. We
got food set up. The smell of this thing is phenomenal. The food truck build's all set up for Becker's barbecue. We got the truck set up. The entire inside of the shop is clean, and all of our merch and everything else is on display, and people can kind of congregate and talk and just hang out and be a good time. So next, car show. Together? Yeah. All right, so cars are starting to come in. It's starting to get busy. We just starting now, 2 o'clock. So we're gonna try to strategically get them packed in here. And Steve's got the barbecue she's pretty much ready to go as far as that goes. But we got a lot of room. We still got a lot of room. So as cars are coming in, I get my son down there. We're going to try to keep this as organized as we can and keep the PD away. No, I mean this.
Oh.
That wasn't this winter.
No,
I saw the videos this summer. I love this thing. Is this your daily driver?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude. This is crazy. It's so clean. Cutting that brisket.
Some pulled pork too, if you like.
Brisket. All right, I mean brisket.
And that's my homemade barbecue sauce.
Baby, looking good, Steve. Quick little tour of some of the cars. Badass. This thing's so cool. Look at the plates. Woo. Some of our own. Oh, you're in the video now. Busted. Too late. And headers too, and it's. Oh yeah. Your car? Hunter found a good seat right next to the chickens. Here it is. Here it is.
Hey.
How you doing?
What's up, dude?
What's going on, man?
Nice to finally meet you. And then this 3 liters.
Dave even got in here on the video. He had to get in here. How's the food?
Awesome.
Awesome food. Good, good. Some people ask how you drive a rat rod and straight headers. Well, this guy right here will show you. These babies right here. Come on, buddy. People's choice, everyone, right here. This is a truck. This is a truck. Hold on, we're gonna rev it. We're gonna like turn the radio on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rev it up. You hear it? You hear that?
When I start to do the seat foam, I'll move one in on that side to fit your ass this way. And originally the 20.
What's up, guys? Welcome. Alright guys, super good turnout. Before anybody takes off, we're going to do the raffle and pick our house trophy. So I think I might know the winner because it's been like unanimous people voting. It's been crazy. That's not it. Super awesome to have a cool turnout and a great bunch of people and cars here. First time we did it, I didn't know what to expect. I had no idea who's going to show up, who's not going to show up. And you know what? The turnout was great. We had to keep it small because naturally we're restricted on room, but I think we made it work. And again, and thank Becker's Barbecue for the barbecue. He absolutely did. With that being said, I'm going to do, there's 2 raffles, and I'm going to do the spectator's choice. So everybody had a chance to vote, I hope. The cars, bikes, everything had numbers on them. And you just told me which one you want. And at this point, it's pretty unanimous. I don't have to go look at it. And where is he? Davis, Dan Davis. What? Bring him over here. So,
Sorry, bud.
we weren't doing trophies. This wasn't about trophies and whatever, but it was about, well, I like making metal art scrap stuff. I wanted to make one that was cool. His rat rod dualies on the side over here. If you guys haven't seen it, it's phenomenal handwork, metal work in that thing. So, well deserved, buddy. I can't wait to see it. Pitmaster Steve, you guys seen him in our other videos? His business, Becker's Barbecue, is right here, babe. This is what it's all about, and he killed it today, and everybody loved it. Brisket, pulled pork, loved it. Hey, look, the puppies even made a visit. Aww. No dogs allowed.
I love that color.
It's in driver mode now.